Hey guys, so this is a quick tutorial for installing inVR and uploading a model to our cloud. So first thing I'm going to do is create a new Unity project. The one thing I want to test before, we are using Unity 5 and up. So uh, new project, inVR test. It's going to create a new project. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is install the plugin. So I have the plugin right over here. It's a Unity package. You just double click it and it's going to open it in Unity and asks us to import everything. I'm going to click the import and it's going to parse all the DLLs and we'll be ready to go. So we have inVR installed. To get to our window, you get to go to Window, inVR. This is our little editor. I'm just going to drop it here and you already see this little guy. This is our inVR start and this is where we place the camera. Now because this is a camera, we're going to delete the default camera that comes with the Unity scene. Delete that so we have a light and the inVR start. Next thing we're going to do is bring in the geometry. So I'm going to create a folder called geo. I'm going to go back to the Finder, copy our FBX file and go to inVR test, asset, geo, drag it over here and it's going to load the file. Now the FBX itself had the textures embedded in it. So textures and everything should come through. I'm going to drag the FBX into the hierarchy. Now we have the house here. I can look back to the inVR. This is where we're going to start the experience. So I can move it around. We don't want to be stuck into the ground. And the size of this capsule, which represents a man, is 1.8 meters. So that should give you the scale of what the building is. If you have a different, you can always scale up the building depending in your in the 3D package that you imported. It might be on a different scale, but this actually seems to work fine. And then the last thing we need to do is just type in your username and email, the scene name, which is like house 3, and I'm just gonna upload it. Oh yes, it tells me that we need to save the scene before we do that. Alright, save the scene as house 3. And now it's going to process the scene and upload it to inVR Cloud. Okay, now we have to wait a little bit because it actually does, okay, that's pretty quick, does the processing, and this is really important. This is actually, it's uploading to the cloud. Do not press the play button while this is uploading. We just have to wait, shouldn't take too long. Now I know it seems like it's stuck because the progress doesn't progress right now. It's a little bug on our hand. We're going to fix it soon, but in the meantime, just go ahead and wait. It will go through. There you go. All right, the scene is uploaded, and so you can check the font, but it's not going to be immediate because in the cloud we actually do some extra processing, and so it might take like half an hour depending on the size of the model and how busy the queue is, but altogether you will get an email telling you that your model has been processed and ready to view, and then you just open the app on your phone and go to My VR to see it in VR. Thanks for watching. Email me with any questions at eyal@invr.co. Thanks, bye-bye.